Welcome back to my channel, guys. Will's Kitchen Table here again today. Chef Will gonna prepare an amazing veggie bowl for you guys. I know we're in the new year. A lot of you guys are looking for some healthy choices, so today I'm gonna do a veggie bowl. Actually, not just a veggie bowl. I'm gonna do one with chicken and one with just veggies. So I'm just gonna jump right in and get it going. Got some chicken right here. I'm gonna marinate right now, and I also have some sweet potato, guys, red pepper, red onions, and I have some mixed grape tomatoes right here, different colors, and I also have some pearl couscous that's gonna go in as well. So my chicken already washed with some fresh lemon juice and vinegar, and it's just ready to marinate. I only have 5 pieces of chicken right here, and I'm just gonna show you guys. I have some mixed spices here, which is just garlic powder, onion powder, and some chicken spices as well. Some oregano. I'm just gonna add this right to the chicken. All right. And you want to put like a teaspoon of and a half of the garlic. Same thing with the onion powder. The chicken spices, I have 1 tablespoon in there. And I also have some sea salt right here, some black and red and green peppers. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to it. Keep it pretty simple. And I also have some olive oil here. Get some olive oil on there to marinate this chicken. Alright guys, and some fresh parsley. Get that on there. And then some fresh garlic as well. Love fresh garlic, guys. Alright. Beautiful. Get all of that off. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit more olive oil to this. And I'm just going to let this chicken sit for about half an hour, and then I'm just going to get it on a skillet, get a nice color in it, throw it in the oven while I'm chopping up my veggies. Alright, so catch you guys back when they're all ready. So it's time to get the chicken going. My pot is hot right now. What I did, I put a little piece of butter inside here just to get some color in the chicken. Alright, crank that back up. I'm going to pop them right in the oven. This is the finished product of my healthy bowl right here. Looking beautiful. This So that's the pearl couscous and my grilled chicken and all the roasted veg. And I just add some avocado to that as well. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll catch you in another amazing video.